All right, so I'm just making a quick video here to show you how to use Screencastomatic, which is the free service that I've been using to record the videos that I've been sending you on lectures, etc. They can only be 15 minutes long, but they're very easy to use. So I'm just going to quickly show you how to do that. So hold on, I got to share my screen. Share screen. All right. So you go to Screencastomatic. Let me minimize this so you can see what it looks like here. Hold on. So make sure you can see my whole screen. So it's screencastomatic.com. Then you sign up. That won't take you too long. And then you press Launch Recorder and press Open Screen Recorder. And then it will open up like this. So then you have, go to the settings here. You have three options. You can just record your screen. You can record just your camera, or you can record both. I've been always selecting both so that you can see my little face in the corner. And then you can see the screen as well. This max time is 15 minutes unless you have a non-free version. You want to go here and click full screen. Otherwise, you could pick an active window, which will be or a smaller piece of your window, and then you have to fit everything you want into there, but the full screen is just easier to do. These ones will be automatically selected, and then you press record. So I'm going to do that so that you can see. It will go 3, 2, 1, go, and then now I'm recording. When I am done, you can always pause and sneeze or do whatever you need to do. Then you could start again, but when you're done, you say done, save, upload, and then you have a bunch of different options about where you're going to save it. I've been uploading it to YouTube. You can upload it to here and then get it to yourself, or you can save it as a file. You can also, like if you recorded something at the beginning or the end that you want to cut out, you could shorten it. And then when you say upload, it will only do the part that you selected. You cannot cut things out of the middle. You can only cut things from the front end. I've been uploading them to YouTube, which is really easy to do. If you do that, I'm not going to click on that one right there, but I'll show you how you edit the name. You go into your YouTube account and you, hold on a second here, you go to your channel. And then you have to go to YouTube Studio. And YouTube's accounts are free, so if you don't have one, you can make one easily, or your group members can share. Then you go to videos over here on the left. And then this is where you'll be able to edit the title and description, or make sure it's public or unlisted, which means anyone with a link can get it, but it can't be searched. I haven't done that because I don't think there's going to be a rush on people looking at my med-anthro lectures. And then you can get a link or whatever. So once you edit the title and description, once it's done uploading, that's all you have to do. So that is the end of my video, and hopefully that helped you. All right, have a great day.